Are we really going fishing today?
Yes, Lily. Are you ready for an adventure?
Yes, I have been waiting all week.
Then let's get our fishing bags ready.
Do we have the fishing rods?
Yes, they are beside the boat.
What else do we need?
We need bait, a bucket, water, and life jackets.
Why do we need life jackets?
Because safety always comes first near the sea.
Wow, the boat looks beautiful.
It is ready for our fishing trip.
Can I help you start the boat?
Of course. Stand beside me and watch.
The boat is moving.
Yes, we are leaving the shore now.
Look at the blue water, Dad.
It is beautiful today.
I can see birds flying over the water.
Those birds are looking for fish too.
How do we know where the fish are?
We look at the water and use the fish finder.
Is that the fish finder?
Yes, it helps us find fish under the boat.
I see something on the screen.
Good, there may be fish below us.
Can I put the bait on my hook?
Yes, but be very careful with the hook.
Okay, I am holding the rod carefully.
Excellent. Now we can cast the line.
1, 2, 3.
Good throw, Lily.
My line is in the water.
Now be patient and watch the line.
Fishing is harder than I thought.
Good fishing takes patience.
Dad, I think something touched my bait.
Really? Keep watching the line.
It moved again.
Stay calm and hold the rod tightly.
I think I caught a fish.
Great! Keep the rod up.
It is pulling so hard.
Let the fish pull a little. Don't fight it too much.
Dad, I am getting tired.
I'm right here. You can do it.
I can see something in the water.
Yes, I can see the fish too.
Wow! It's a beautiful silver fish.
You caught your first sea fish.
I really caught it.
Yes, and you stayed patient.
Can we keep the fish?
We can, but let's check if it is safe and legal to keep.
What if we let it go?
That is a kind choice if we do not need the fish.
I want to let it swim again.
Okay, let's release it carefully.
Goodbye, little fish.
Look, it is swimming away.
That was the best fishing trip ever.
I'm happy you enjoyed it.
I learned to be patient and careful.
And you learned that safety comes first.
Dad, can we go fishing again someday?
Absolutely. Our next sea adventure is waiting for us.
I can't wait!